Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. So in this lecture we are going to take a look at the selection tool. This is the selection tool. Yes friend, this selection tool is also known as black arrow tool. Now how to use it? For using it, let's create a shape, say a rectangle. Now select this selection tool by clicking on it and select click on the object and just move around. Let's create another ellipse. No, this is the rounded rectangle, right? Okay, so let's work with this rounded rectangle. Now select the selection tool, or you can press the keyboard shortcut V. Select the object which you want to move and just move around. See, it's that simple, right? Now let's create another ellipse. Now for moving it, see, it will not move by itself. Let's try to move it using arrow key. See, you can move it, but it's moving by one unit. Now for moving it multiple units, you need to select the selection tool and you can move it just like this. And another tip that I want to share with you is that click on it to start moving. Now drag it around. Now hold the shift key and see, now you are moving it in straight direction. See, straight or 45 degree, a regular 0 degree or 45 degree, 90 degree, like this. It will move in a straight fashion. Okay, so this is the selection tool. It's really very simple. So yeah, for which purpose selection tool is used? To move around the objects. And another thing is that let's select only this one. Another thing is that if you select the selection tool and if you select an object using the selection tool, you will see here the bounding box, and at corners you will see these stops, or you can say these points. You can say, you can see when you hover over this, some rounded stuff is going on right at the bottom of the arrow, which means if you click and drag, see, now the corners are becoming round. See, and when you come to the red point, when you are dragging and dragging and dragging inside and you got this red stroke, it's saying that now you cannot make it more round, or it cannot go beyond this roundness. Yes friend. See, so yeah, and another thing which I was saying, that this is the bounding box. It helps to rotate for increasing size. And another thing is that here we have this bounding box, right, by which we can increase or decrease the size. And see, if we want to decrease or increase, it may not be proportional to its original shape. For making it proportional to its original shape, you need to hold the shift key. See, now it's proportional to your original or initial shape. Okay, so that's it guys. So what are the things that we have seen? One thing, that is, using selection tool we can move our objects around. The second thing is this bounding box. Now if you don't see this bounding box, this means that it's hidden, and you can make it visible by going to view menu, and make sure here hide bounding box is there. Yeah, let me tell you. See, now here it is hide bounding box. Let's click on it and see, now we can't see the bounding box. And again, let's go to view, and here we have an option show bounding box, and see its keyboard shortcut is Shift Control B. Okay, so if you press Shift Control B, it toggles the state between hide bounding box and show bounding box. That's it. See, now it's showing, right? Let's go to view, hide bounding box, Shift Control B, go to view, show bounding box, Shift Control B. Okay. And another thing is that roundness, right, for these rectangles. Okay, so that's it, guys. Here I am concluding this lecture. In our next lecture we will take a look at this direct selection tool. It is also really cool. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.